Yeah, so this is the new Toyota safety sense system that we're gonna introduce to all across models. And what we are gonna demonstrate today is a pre-collision system. And you can see a vehicle target there and a pedestrian dummy there. So we're gonna present two features. So what you drive towards the target is a Prius accelerate to 15 to 17 speed range and keep the speed until that blue cone. You can see the both sides, right? And at that point, please lift off from gas pedal and then let the vehicle go to a target without touching.
No brake.
Neither braking, neither pedal.
Okay.
Okay. So we're gonna start. A little bit fast though. And then keep the speed. Maximum speed is vehicle top speed, but depends on the situation. But speed reduction is limited to 25 mph.
Okay.
So if the vehicle speed is higher than that, system basically mitigate and not a collision avoidance. Of course, the system's intention is want the driver to take action at the warning pops up.
Okay.
Auto brake is the last resort for safety. So the next is a pedestrian portion, and driving pattern is basically same. Accelerate to 15 to 17 speed range and keep the speed until that blue cone position, and then let the gas pedal up.
To 15, you let it go. Okay.
Yep. So pedestrian detection is a new added feature from this Toyota safety sense, and Toyota offers this pre-collision system and dynamic radar cruise control, lane departure system, auto high beam, all that with $500 option, and it's gonna available on this Prius and RAV4.
Okay.